Hello friends, today we are going to learn about number and colors. Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's learn the number one by one. This is number 1. It is orange. Now we have number 2. This is number 2. It is red. Now we have number 3. This is number 3. It is blue. Now we have number 4. The number 4 is green. Now we have number 5. This is number 5. The number 5 is peach. Now we have number 6. The number 6 is yellow color. Now we have number 7. The number 7 is pink. The last number is 8. This is the purple color. Great, now we have learned the numbers. Now let's learn the colors. Now we have the red color. Okay, so let's find. Oh my god, this is the red car. Let's put it on the red color. Now we have the orange color. I think we have the orange car. Yes, exactly. So let's put it on the orange color. Let's find what we have next. Yes, I think green. I think we have the green car. Yes. Let's put it on the green color. I think we have one more car. I think it's a yellow car. Yes. Oh my god, it's super fast. Let's put it on the yellow color. Today we learn these colors. Okay, it's red, green, yellow. And we have the cars of their colors. Okay. So let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, now we have count colors. Orange, red, blue, green, peach, yellow, pink, purple. Good job friends, you have learned the numbers and colors. Bye.